down with these entertainers same way. Keep laying down with them and keep breathing for them because them have a name. Every minute them have a new girl. Every minute there's a new woman and they just like Beenie Man have a new girl again. I hope she dip on birth control. I just hope she dip on birth control although for them life. I hope she dip on birth control. I hope she and your man and after pay like how them drink water. Right? Yeah, because every minute them have a new girl and you can't, you don't know if a baby number 6 or a baby number 10 or a baby number 11 will come and we talking about the kids them what we know and the kids them that we don't know. Okay? Yes. That's why I have to rate Killer still now. Killer family man. See, Killer find a woman and settle down with. Killer find a woman and settle down with. Killer the same woman. Eh? The same woman Killer have. Killer not switch off for the same woman. Killer have the same woman. Same woman and not see Killer with. So when I rate Killer different, Killer decides that, oh, me nah get old. Me nah get old. Like that. Me I get old with somebody. Me cannot run around because I name the Killer. Alright, anyway. Back to the topic. I don't want too much off of that thing there. As I'm saying to you, the one that will come out of gully, he need help. Right? And Candy need help. Let's leave Candy for last. Right? Mackerel need help. Jahcure need help, but him in a jail. Hopefully, he might get the valuation he need. And hopefully, when he come out, he can sing a song and say, now I'm a better man. You understand? Prison on a bed of roses. He live it makes me ball. I hope him change. Buju Banta need help. He need detox. His whole body need detox. His eye need detox. The whole eye need detox. He need the farmer help there. Right? Candy. On a need for carry Candy. If you want to help her, carry her go to a facility. Call a facility. Take her to a rehab and let she check into a rehab. A rehab that she cannot come out of the rehab until she get the help that she need. That is the help that Candy need. Candy do not need money. She do not need clothes. She do not need food because she get food every day. You understand? That is the help she need. Not only that, Candy need psychological help. Right? Like how Silone, just lose Silone. Silone is getting help and Silone is getting help. The kind of help of Silone I get an injection and things like that. Right? Something like that she need. Right? I want to know if Candy ready to go to a facility. That's true, you cannot force them to get help. But I would like to ask the star the question. I would like to ask the star the question. I would like to ask star the question. Did you guys ask Candy if Candy ready to get the help that she needed? That's what I would like to know. I don't know who write the story for I don't know who write the story. Let me text somebody for a star talking about that too. Let me text somebody for a star. Let me text somebody. You know, somebody call Cheese and find Cheese to me now. Nobody can find Cheese to me. Somebody have Cheese number, call Cheese and find Cheese to me now. Because yes, Cheese was helping. Shan, you can't find Cheese to me. Because Cheese just trying to help her. Maybe Cheese you can't tell her no better. Cheese just trying to help her. Can somebody find Cheese to me? Because Cheese did not try to help her. And Cheese did not try to help her as a friend because she come around and she said, I go help Candy. Oh, Cheese at work. Okay. Anyway, back to the thing now, people. Candy need help. Candy need medical help. And we know we are going to say that until Candy, right? Until Candy ready for the help. Where you go wait until Candy kin over and dead or Candy in a situation where my dead, that's how we are going to run? I even know how I feel because a lot of you seem to be caring about people. Right? Someone who seems to care so much about people. If me there Jamaica, make jug Candy gonna want Rehab. Real dog need help himself. Real dog need help himself. You know you tell me about real dog. I don't know this my friend. Real dog need help himself. Real dog have a mental problem too, yeah? All me have a problem sometime too. All of we have a mental problem, but some of our problem just not activate. Some of us problem just not activate. All of we have a problem, but some of us just have a more serious of a problem. Real dog need help. You need mental valuation too. You understand? Me didn't need help one time. I didn't need help one time and nobody never helped me. When I go through my problem and my mental problem, nobody never helped me. I had the mercy of God. And guess what? I true me have the sense in my back of me head. Me just lick it back and so me come out of it and here I am today. I can talk about it. Some of us acknowledge. And me just see that go through problem. Me they have some crosses one around me. That's it. But me good. Somebody's a phantom needle. No, we're not going to say. We're not trying to turn the thing into different thing, people. We're talking about serious business. No. I was going through my problem one time. I threw me smart. Right? Let me tell you this. Enough of no people are talking about who need help and all that. Rose need help. Rose need help. Right? Rose need help. Rose need serious help. Right? Rose need help. But nobody is coming out to help these people. They're more to take out a phone and start to shine a video on somebody because of whatever it is. There's a lot of people. You understand? When me in my yard, scringe up in my yard, I go through woman abuse and all them something woman abuse me, that kind of things in my problem. You understand? Nobody never did to help me. That me I tell you, a woman I'll shot me in my face and me have to take it. Yeah, mental valuation is a different thing. That the mental, that was a psycho. I'm saying, I got to get rid of that. Yeah, man, quick and fast. Lick the back of me and problem, the man. Tanya, Stevenson, need help too. Tanya need valuation. Mental illness, I want serious something. Tanya need help. I know the reason Tanya need help because what she have been through. You think I like me to tell my friend? Yeah, you see right there, so when I column there, I right there, so me used to park and yeah, me dinner, I even time, and drink my jug and them. I right in that spot there, so me there. Are you right there, so me used to park. Right there, so sometimes I park over there, so. And liquor store over there, so. Right there, so me used to park. Right, that's how me used to park. That column they can't tell all of my story. Mr. Dale saw even time I park up, I eat. Belly full lay down and sleep before I go on my yard. Because I know when time I go on my yard.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.